No sound on a laptop usually feels like a hardware failure, but in most cases, it's a settings issue, wrong audio output, or driver glitch inside Microsoft Windows. The key is to isolate whether sound is blocked, misrouted, or broken. 1. Check volume and mute settings. First, start with the basics. Make sure volume is not muted. Increase system volume, check app volume, YouTube, browser, etc. Many users overlook the simple mute icon. 2. Check output device selection. This is the most common issue. Windows may send sound to Bluetooth headphones, external monitor, HDMI device. Go to sound settings and ensure the correct output is selected. Speakers, Realtek, built-in, wrong output selection, no sound. 3. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Your audio may be routed elsewhere. Turn off Bluetooth or disconnect devices like wireless earbuds, speakers, car audio, then test sound again. 4. Restart the laptop. Restart resets audio services and clears temporary glitches. It often restores sound immediately if the issue is software-based. 5. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Windows has an automatic fix tool. Settings, System, Sound, Troubleshoot. It detects driver issues, configuration errors, disabled devices. This fixes many common audio problems automatically. 6. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Driver issues are a major cause of no sound. Go to Device Manager, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Then, update driver or uninstall and restart. Windows reinstalls automatically. This refreshes audio system files. 7. Check headphone jack, external devices. Sometimes Windows detects headphones even when none are plugged in. This disables internal speakers. Try plugging, unplugging headphones, cleaning audio, jack, gently restarting after removal. 8. Check Windows audio service. If audio service stops, sound disappears completely. Restarting audio service often restores everything. This is a deeper system-level fix. Strategic insight: no sound issues usually come from 3 areas: output routing error, driver malfunction, audio service failure. Most users assume speaker damage, but software routing is far more common. Final conclusion: before assuming hardware failure, start with volume check, output device selection, Bluetooth disconnect, restart driver fix. In most cases, sound